Hello, hello. Happy Tom Ford Tuesday, where Tuesdays are dedicated to Tom Ford beauty. Let's talk about new Tom Ford releases. We've got things that are out now and upcoming releases. We've got some sneak peeks and some actually we have live swatches, which is exciting. Always. So we're going to talk about it all. What are we excited about? What we're not so excited about? All the things. Let's hydrate and begin. How are we? How are we? How are we? I hope we are doing well on this beautiful Tuesday. It's always a good day to talk about Tom Ford. So whichever day you're watching this, I hope you're doing well. And you know what? It's always a great day to talk about Tom Ford new releases. It's always exciting. What have they got cooking for us over there? As always, it's Tom Ford Tuesday. The full face is Tom Ford. I'll have everything applied, listed and linked down below in the description box, along with whatever I have that we talk about today that's available. It'll all be down below in the description box. But any guesses that what's on the eyes? It's a classic. It's a favorite. I never shut up about it. That should give it away, right? Good old Nude Dip. My favorite. I love this palette. All right, let's get to talking about something that is now available. It'll be listed and linked down below in the description box. The Architecture Soft Matte Blurring Powder. I remember specifically saying that we need a new powder, and I'm so happy we're getting one, and we've got one because this is available now. So Tom Ford had a powder like this previously. The packaging looks literally the same, okay, where it's powder up top and then brush at the bottom. The layout looks identical. I had it. I did not like it, but this seems to be something completely different. I don't know. We'll have to see. We've got 4 shades. It's supposed to be like a blurring powder, finishing powder. This is not foundation. Right. Okay. I'm just reading as I go. A super fine translucent powder that sets makeup with a filter-like diffused matte finish. That alone, all right, fine. Add to cart, check out. Sounds great. This is probably something that you can wear when you've got just some concealer, dust it all over the rest of your makeup. Use it to finish and set your makeup. Use it with the Architecture Soft Matte Foundation. Sublime softness, a cloud-like veil. The ultra surreal formula comforts skin while spherical powders help control shine. This powder blurs the look of imperfections with a soft, focused matte finish. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, and this formula provides a smooth, seamless application. It is instantly mattified to help control shine, and it features a lightweight, breathable matte finish and acts as the perfect foundation to create a seamless complexion. So is it finishing powder or what? All these words. I guess this is just going to have to be something we try out for ourselves and see, huh? Anything I talk about today that you really, really want me to make sure we try out, put a priority on it, let me know, okay? So made in Italy. How much product? Does it say? No, of course not. I don't know how much product's in here. Can't tell you. But she retails for Tom Ford's beautiful, hefty, steep $95. With this product, I'm looking at the darkest shade, Sable Viole. That looks pretty, okay? And then 3 Sahara Dusk. That's, when you look at the model, it seems like quite a jump, right? But that is the shade I would get. Then we've got number 2, Ivory Fawn. And then the lightest Alabaster Stone. Now that one has like a slight pinky toned look to the powder. Powder sounds nice, sounds lovely. I feel like it's gonna be an improvement to the old one. I wish I still had, but we decluttered that. Definitely sounds like something I would be interested in. Let me know. Let's talk about it. Comment down below. Let's talk about some new quads, because there's a couple of those that I've seen and those look very pretty, very interesting. All of my sources, all of the details where I found this stuff, it'll be down below in the description box. I'm always going to give credit to whoever has shared this stuff. Okay, so fall. Get comfortable here. Let's talk. Fall 2024. 2 new eye color quads, and it's saying that they're new formulas. That's exciting because the creme formula, wow, quickly shot up to the top for me when it came to great, good formulas from Tom Ford. I love the wet dry formula, but I really like now this new creme formula. And then now they're saying it's another new formula. This one's going to be interesting. So we've got Metallic Mauve and Rose Veil. Okay, what color story does Metallic Mauve remind you of? Violet Satine. Just a little. Obviously, we don't know yet. I don't have it in my hand. I can't really say. I'm just talking based on what I'm seeing in a picture. But that's so pretty. Now, one thing I see in Metallic Mauve is I feel like if you got rid of that purple, those three other colors, I feel like they weren't really like anything extra, So, I don't know, but then I feel like that too with Rose Veil. If you took out that pink on the bottom left, which it kind of looks like a matte. If I took that out, we're left with three colors that we probably already have. I don't know, maybe I'm being too critical, but that doesn't mean I'm not excited about these. These colors are beautiful. And these are definitely colors that I gravitate towards, and these are definitely things I'm excited for. And yes, we have to get them. It looks like these are glittery, hoppery, but the Tom Ford way, which is cute, soft, and sophisticated. And then the more pigmented colors for depth and just adding a bit more, and then those glittery shades would go on top. Those are cute. Okay, I found swatches. I thought I saw swatches of these, and the swatches are really pretty. It looks like there's a topper in each, and then a glittery shade where the base, you can see the color a bit better, and then you have pigmented shades that you can use to create depth, do your one and dones, do your more soft matte colored looks if you don't want to use the glitters, which we love. We love our versatility. Although it's only 4 shades, you can still get creative and create looks. So, I mean, overall, the color stories are very pretty. They're wearable for a bit of color. And yes, I am very interested in them, and I think they look pretty. Tom Ford Valentine Love Collection. It looks like a cream blush. Yeah, cream blush in the shade 01 Love Scene. Hold on. Because I'm wearing the Love Scene today, which is in this formula, which I have beat to it. I love this. I love this tone. It's so easy for every day. So it in a cream. Okay, that sounds good. The color looks really pretty. Of course, the packaging is cute. The little embossing hearts, that's going to go away in 5 seconds, but it's still cute. And then what do we have? 3 lipsticks. Lip color satin mattes. Tom Ford satin mattes are nice and creamy. I'm rocking a combo of 2 today. So 94 is calling my name. 92 and 52 are very pretty, but 94 is calling my name. I love those nudes. I love concealer lips. I go in with a darker lip liner. But pretty colors. Definitely interested in one of the 3. I'm definitely interested in the cream variation of the blush that I'm currently wearing. Oh my goodness. With the cream blush, you can put a little on the eyes, cheeks, on the lips. So there's the versatility there, I guess. Justified. Now, this next collection here, okay? Ooh. The packaging, it's very Tom Ford. I'm loving it. So this is also said to be a fall 2024 collection, and it's called the Black Lacquer series. I don't know if these are the exact what it's going to be called, but that's what it's listed as. So we have an eyeshadow palette in this collection, lipsticks, air cushion, and a fragrance. Let's talk about the eyeshadow quad. Obviously, love the all black packaging. Love that. I can't tell if this is a traditional formula or if this is a creme formula. It's hard to tell. But I like the color story. It's almost like you've got a coppery coffee at that top left, and then That looks like purple, doesn't it? Beside it, top right, with a little bit of a shimmer to it. Yes. And that pinky peach matte looking shade, bottom left. Can we say hello one and dones with a little something on the outer eye? A little wing, hi, hello, yes. And then that nice brown. Kind of looks satin, but I can't tell. But all the, you know, nonetheless, that looks good. I believe we have 2 lipsticks, 16 and 100. I have 100 from the Love collection, which I love. I've been doing that trick. This is 100, where I mix it with the Shade and Illuminate primer, mix it together and use this as blush. It is so gorgeous. It's a glowy skin little flush, gorgeous. This is 100, but this is saying 100. I have to assume that's a new color. And then number 16, I'm not sure what number 16 is, but it looks, based on the picture, like a orangey red. Gorgeous. I'll have to see about the lipsticks. I've been getting better and a little more selective with my lipsticks. But if there's a color that I just cannot, the packaging alone is going to make me do it. Air Cushion Foundation, I think that's what that is, in that little cushion looking black beautiful lacquer. I don't know if we're going to get this here. And I don't even know if this collection's coming here. This is just stuff I've been seeing and, you know, just thought I'd share. The last cushion foundation that I just could not get over was the one from Chantecaille. Tom Ford, I have enjoyed one from him, but that was years ago. So it'll be nice to see if this is something we're going to get, because I would be very interested in trying it and sharing with you, of course, because the packaging is gorgeous. Now the fragrance, I believe this is called Black Lacquer. I think so. It says here Amber, Macassar Oud, and Peony. That sounds good. That sounds like it's going to be a bit of spice with a touch of floral. I'm here for trying it. It looks good. It looks good. It sounds good. So it's always really great to see what's coming and the new releases from Tom Ford. But I just want to put it out there because I feel like when I say it, it'll happen. And definitely, I want to hear some of the things that you would like to see from Tom Ford. So I'll go first, okay? I would love to see lip liners, please. I want to see eyeliners, please. I would love new mascaras. I feel like little staples for the line. Permanent things, not limited edition things. Because yeah, limited edition stuff is fun. One more staple that I know we're all, because we've talked about this. Bronzer, please give us a new bronzer. Oh. You guys remember the Tom Ford bronzer? I don't think I have it anymore. It was the darker bronzer, and they took it from us. And now we only have like, I want to say 1, maybe 2 colors, and hello? They're very similar. Just one is like a little warmer and the other one has like gold flakes. Like, can we get our bronze? Can we get a nice revamp? Estee Lauder. I know you own Tom now. Can you pencil it in? If you're not already working on it, bronzer, please. So those are staples I would love to see for us to get. I could sit here for hours and talk about all that I want, but right now I think those are like top of the list. What's on your list? What are some of the things you would like to see? I truly feel now that Tom Ford is owned by Estee Lauder, they're going to make some changes that we need to see, hopefully. I feel confident with the concealers. I feel confident with the base products, although they took some from us that they shouldn't have. Cough, cough, the stick. But maybe they're going to revamp that too. I don't know. We don't know anything. We just have to assume, okay? This is all allegedly. We've also talked about some colors, particular colors that we need more of from Gloss Luxe glosses. Yes. And even the lipstick line, because I do feel the Tom Ford lipstick line as a whole is nice, but I don't know, maybe we can get some other colors, like, because there have been some discontinued colors that you're just like, oh, what? Why? And also, Tom Ford does do this where he'll bring back or do a particular eye color quad in limited edition packaging, could we do that with like some staples from, you know, the vault? Like Mink Mirage or Cocoa Mirage, like staples that so many of us love that they took from us. I don't know. I don't know. Just thoughts that I thought I'd share. What are the things you'd like to see from Tom Ford coming forward, going forward, coming forward, going forward? You know what I mean. Tell me, let's talk about it. So at the moment, we've got 3 quads, 2 that are said to be a new formula, lipsticks, potentially a cushion foundation, potentially. It didn't say that, it just said air cushion. Fragrance, cream blush, right? And the powder. We've got some things to look forward to coming up. I'm excited. Let me know what you're excited about. Let's talk about it. As always, I'll do my best to let you guys know when things become available. Sometimes it feels like a goose chase, like, oh my goodness, is it here yet? Is it here yet? They never really let us know. We just got to figure it out, and then we all share it with each other. I have what's called a SHOPMY, where I always list the new releases. I update that pretty much every single day, so I'll link that. That's something that's always listed and linked down below in my description box. I do share on my Instagram when things become available, so you will find out as soon as I find out. And of course, as soon as I get my hands on things, I will share them with you as well. Happy Tom Ford Tuesday, everyone. Today's video was short and sweet. I just wanted to come and share some of the new upcoming releases and things that are already out now, which, what do we have now? Just a powder so far, but we've got some things brewing, but it's gotta be soon because it's fall and it's already August, so soon. Again, as soon as I know, I'll share with you. I'll put it on my SHOPMY, I'll share it on my Instagram. The word will get out. You already know that. Again, happy Tom Ford Tuesday, everyone. Take a moment to give today's video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.